Hello everybody, this week's Monday Matters is about leadership, and it's about our job to lead our own business and how we're going to lead the business into the future. We have broached this subject a little bit over the last number of weeks in different areas, but we're now entering the very last part of the year. We're deep into the start of November, and so in order to plan for next year, I want you to just have a little think about what you want to do, and I want you to have a think about how you want the next calendar year to go, both in your business as the leader of the business and in your own life. So the things for me that I'll be looking at when I'm broaching my own plan for the next 12 months is I don't like to start it on the 1st of January, and I don't like this whole concept of New Year resolutions and starting on the 1st of January. So for me, I like to prepare in November for what I want to do for the next 12 months, and it gives us time to build up and build into the new year. So I also believe in closing out the current year in the best possible fashion we can do. So in terms of what we need to look at for next year, the job as a leader of a business is and always will be to pick the strategy and pick the direction for the business for the year. So you create that plan for where you want to go, and the clearer you are about the plan, the better chance you will have of getting the plan into place. Once you have the plan in place, you need to understand, do you have the resources available to you or the team around you to implement that plan? And then we need to begin the execution phase. The other thing I will say is don't be overwhelmed by it, and don't try to do too much. A lot of people have this plan that they're going to have so much on the plan that they just cannot actually build a plan, and they have into the end of January and the plan is over and done with. So pick 3 areas of your life. Pick health, wealth and relationships. They're the 3 simple areas. Every single thing you do in your business and everything you do in your life is covered between those 3 areas. And on a personal note, what I will ask everybody to do here is, at the start of next year in terms of health, and it's not just the health of your business, I'm now talking about as a business owner, your own personal health, I will encourage every single person to go and get a medical with their own doctor. Please book in and get a medical. A simple blood test and 10 minutes with a good doctor that understands what you're trying to do can have a massive effect. In fact, it actually saved my own life. I recently had a health scare last year, and as a result of taking a simple blood test, it saved their own lives. So in health, you do that. So pick one thing that you need to start the year off. In wealth then, you need to look at the wealth that you have around you, not just financial wealth. How healthy is your business? What areas are working really, really well? So pick 1 or 2 of those areas and do something with those. And the last part is the relationships. What's your relationship like with your team, with your family, and with your suppliers? Again, we've broached this into previous talks when we're looking at creating your goals list of 20. So pick 2 or 3 things, decide to dedicate yourself completely to it, and break the year down over the 4 quarters. So you'll have 4 chances to achieve this. So remember, leadership comes about when you decide and have a clear plan on what you want to do. So thank you so much. We will talk very soon, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.